Sustainable notebooks aren't a niche fad in 2025. They're how brands meet compliance, protect reputation, and win younger, values-driven customers. Market growth is tilting toward greener SKUs, and buyers are asking one question first. How green is your supply chain? Your shortlist should balance certified inputs, transparent audits, real footprint reduction, scalable lead times, and evidence you can verify. That's the standard we used to select today's top 5. 1. Dingbats, Lebanon, UK fulfillment. 100% vegan, biodegradable covers. First, climate neutral certified notebook brand. Partnerships with WWF, UK, and Global Conservation Corps. Best 4. Mid-sized retail programs, looking for credible claims and premium finishes. 2. Cast stone paper. Australia Global tree-free, acid-free stone paper, made from recycled limestone dust. Lower energy use versus pulp. Waterproof sheets cut damage in damp logistics. Cradle-to-cradle silver. Best 4. Brands seeking a material story and durability. 3. Appointed Co. USA. Localized small batch production, responsibly sourced covers. Renewable energy letterpress. Packaging that's 90% curbside recyclable. Best 4. Made in America, with genuine eco claims. 4. Decomposition book. USA. 100% post-consumer waste paper, chlorine-free process, soy-based inks, biodegradable glues, short supply chain. Best 4. Classic comic book aesthetics with credible recycled content. 5. Lion paper products. China, Cambodia, Korea, partner. Certified inputs. FSC mix. Eco inks. Low waste print practices. And transparent QC. Best 4. Retail timelines that need custom SKUs with verifiable compliance. Here's the fast track from interest to PO. Ask for actual certificates, not just logos. FSC, ISO 9001, climate neutral, BSCI, etc. Audit packaging. Swap shrink wrap for paper belly bands or plant-based films. Run an LCA on a hero SKU. Many factories will co-fund. Bundle freight across SKUs to reduce transport CO2. Negotiate end of life take back for unsold stock. These steps cut the risk of greenwashing and improve total cost while hitting sustainability KPIs. At Lion Paper, we turn sustainability from a claim into a plan. Our China plus Cambodia footprint combines rapid prototyping with stable mass production, so eco-builds can scale on retail timelines. We support FSC-sourced materials, low-waste printing, and plastics light packaging, including paper belly bands or plant-based films. You'll get verifiable documentation for audits, AQL-driven QC, and a pilot to ramp cadence, mapped week by week. If you're benchmarking current suppliers or planning an eco line, we can co-design specs, set KPIs, and lock a realistic ship window. Need help aligning specs, eco claims, and timelines? We'll map your materials, packaging, and certification path to a realistic launch plan. Reach out when you're ready to trial eco options or benchmark your current supplier.